69 plate Vauxhall Combo with 88,000 miles on. Will come with a fresh 12 months MOT, major service including all filters. Also benefits from having the 8mm chain and camshaft upgrade with timing belt done around 20,000 miles ago. Previously having full service history, 2 seats in the front with aircon, cruise, automatic lights, reversing camera into the rear. Here we have the lights, the filter kits and a trackless end. Security locks on the van with rear parking sensors, a few little scuffs on the rear bumper, reversing camera there. To the driver's side we have a nice clean seat, no rips. Reversing camera.